Okay, this video is to help with the first string coding bat question. So it's coding bat problem number 1 and Wednesday with the strings. And it's kind of a goofy one where we have to count the number of x's in the string. So kind of the idea is the base case is a little weird. So basically I think the base case is going to be when we run out of letters. So my base case is going to be basically if the string dot length equals 0, then we don't have any more letters. Okay, and so basically I gotta think, well, how many x's are there in a string that has no letters? Well, there is no x's. So I would just return a 0, saying my count at that point is 0. Okay, and then the recursive case is basically going to take, I guess we could take either the first or the last letter. And then if that's an x, when we want to return 1 plus a count of the remaining letters. And if it's not an x, we want to return 0 plus a count of the remaining letters. So I'm probably, the easiest one is probably just going to be the first letter. So I think I would do the first letter here. So str.substring, and that's just going to be from 0 to 1. Okay, and I know there is at least one letter because of my if check up here. And so I'm going to say, okay, if first dot equals ignore case, I'm not sure that's needed, but I'm going to say if it equals an x, okay, then I want to recall the method. So I want to return 1 because that letter is an x, plus I want to recall the method with the substring, so the remaining part of the string besides the first letter. So maybe I'll make another string here called, like, I don't know, the substring, I guess. So I'm going to call str.substring. And then I just want to take from all the letters but the first. So the easiest thing is to do from position 1 all the way to the end. So that's the other kind of substring call where you just take from position 1 all the way on. Okay, so I'm going to recall my method with that. So my method looks like it's called countX. So I'm going to do countX with my substring. All right, and if it's not, all right, so if it is not a x, then I basically want to do the same thing, except the letter isn't an x, so I don't increase the count by 1. So basically, I just do return 0 plus count of x of the substring. Okay, so I often mess these up, so I'm going to hit this and see go. And all right, looks okay. All right, so hopefully that helps you get past it. There's probably other ways to do it, but I think that's the simplest one, is to get the first letter, see if it's an x, and then recall the method from there until you hit length of 0. All right, post any questions in the blog if you have them. Hope the week's going well.